Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. How to fix Windows 11 update error code 0x500. So this is the error code while updating the Windows, we get this error. Or if you're getting any kind of error while updating the Windows, try this method and it will be fixed for you. So here we need to do a right click in the start icon and click on run. So we are going to open the regedit and here you need to type regedit. Once you have typed it, click on OK. It will ask you to say yes, so click on yes. Now it is a good practice to save the registries before making any changes. So go to File and click on Export. So on the desktop or anywhere you can save the registries, you can mention the time. So I have backed up my registries and now we are going to make the changes. So at the left hand side we have this local machine. So we need to look for HKey local machine. So just do a double click and at the top right corner, you will see the location. So here in under HKey local machine, we need to go to software, just do a double click. And here we need to go to policies and then Microsoft. And after that, you will see Windows and there you will find, and we are looking for Windows updates. So once you click on that, you will find AU here. Now you can note down this location. It will be very easier for you. HKey local machine, then software, then policies, then Microsoft, then Windows, and then Windows update folder, and then AU folder. Once you're here, you need to just do a right click and click on new and select the DWORD 32-bit value. Just click on that and here type use WU server, just like that, and click anywhere and just do a right click, click on modify, put the value 0 here and just click on OK, and you need to restart the computer. Now try to update your Windows and 0x500f0984 error code will be fixed for you. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Guys, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.